Matt, and I'm studying for a PhD in structural virology at the University of Glasgow. Integrative Infection Biology PhD is about fostering collaboration between scientists from different disciplines. This is really important because more and more increasingly we're seeing that groundbreaking research takes place at the intersection between different disciplines of science. And so the name of this PhD program is to encourage that kind of research for PhD students. What interested me most about the subject was the idea that there's a great potential to bring about change when you're researching the interactions between pathogens and their hosts in terms of the potential for developing new treatments or improving on existing treatments or vaccines. The Wellcome Trust Integrative Infection Biology program is a really attractive program for a lot of reasons. The University of Glasgow and the CVR where I work is full of researchers doing really exciting research in a whole bunch of different disciplines. And I really like the structure of the program in that you get to choose 2 short projects that you do at the start. So you get to meet a lot of the researchers and kind of find yourself a niche in the research culture at the University of Glasgow. And then from there, there's a lot of freedom to kind of develop your own project and follow the interests that you might have brought with you or you might have discovered in those first 2 projects. So I think it's a really flexible program with a lot of opportunity to work with really great people. The best things about the Integrative Infection Biology program all boil down to opportunity. It gives you a lot of different opportunities that I think are incredibly valuable. One of the things that I've valued the most since starting my PhD is the people that I've met and the conversations that I've got to have. There's not another environment quite like it if you're passionate about science to be able to discuss the things that you're really passionate about with people who understand and can make interesting remarks and ask you searching questions and help you to kind of discover what you think and what the best direction for your work is. Yeah, it's phenomenal. Glasgow is an incredible city. I think one thing I didn't really have a chance to visit before I moved up again because of the lockdown regulations. And so one thing that I was really taken aback by is just how beautiful it is as a city. There's so much amazing architecture and so much green space in the city. And yeah, I was blown away by that. Obviously, much more now, I'm starting to appreciate there's a really vibrant music scene as well, which is also fantastic. And yeah, I love Scotland. I love being out in the mountains. I go rock climbing a lot and hiking and swimming in the lakes. And there's just so much incredible wilderness in Scotland to explore as well. One of the most important lessons that I've learned so far from my PhD is that being a researcher is not really about acquiring a certain set of skills. It's more about acquiring a certain way of thinking. And I suppose what I mean by that is that once you develop that attitude, there's a lot of possibilities that are open to you. And you don't have to pigeonhole yourself into a particular field or into studying a particular thing. You have those transferable skills as a researcher, and that allows you to kind of, there's so much possibility to tackle whatever problem you think is most important or most interesting. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend the Wellcome Trust Integrative Infection Biology PhD program. For all the reasons I've spoken about, I think it's provides so many fantastic opportunities. it's a really great group of people, the students, the supervisors, everybody at the university. It's a fantastic environment to work in, and provides this incredible place for you to explore what you find most interesting.